Hello everyone, hello my Englishers, how are you? I hope all of you are feeling fine. This is one of my English speaking practice video and today's practice topic is my country, and today I'm going to talk about my country. That will be my English speaking topic. Okay, so my country name is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a South Asian country, and Bangladesh is popular among the visitor and tourists for its people's warm hospitality. Bangladesh has the world's longest sea beach in itself, okay, which is called the Cox's Bazar. Bangladesh is also known as the Riverian country because there are so many rivers are there in Bangladesh. That's why Bangladesh is known as Riverian country, such as Meghna, Jamuna, Brahmaputra, Karnafuli, Buriganga, etc. You know, Bangladeshi people were called as or were known as the Machebate Bangali because most of the people of Bangladesh are live in village side, and only 20% and more than 20% people live in urban area. So that's why the economy of Bangladesh depends on agriculture, and that's why the people who live in village, they catch fishes from the river and they eat most of the time fishes with the rices. That's why I think the people of Bangladesh are called as the Machebate Bangali. Okay, Bangladeshi people are very hospitable towards the other people of other countries. Whenever tourists come Bangladesh, whenever tourists visit Bangladesh, they were overwhelmed with the behavior of the people of Bangladesh. That's why Bangladesh is quite famous among the people of all countries. Okay, Bangladesh has its own national flag, and the color of the national flag are green and red. There are so many tourist spots are there in Bangladesh. They are Chattogram, Cox's Bazar, Bandarban, Rangamati, Sajek, Sitakundo, and so on. So many foreigner visitor comes to visit those tourist places. Over the year, so many Bangladeshi visitor or tourists who visit these places. Oh, I love my country and Bangladesh was not an independent country at all before 1971, and in 1971 Bangladesh has got independence, and now still Bangladesh is an independent country, and we have to sacrifice more than 3 million lives for achieving this independence. So that's why we are grateful for those people who sacrifices their lives for our nation. Bangladesh is famous for many reasons among the world. One of them is the people of Bangladesh sacrifices their life for language, for their mother tongue. And my mother language is Bangla, and I have got this language for thousands of sacrifices, thousands of lives sacrifices. That's why I'm proud to be a Bengali. I have talked as much as I can. So tell me if I forget something to speak, to tell about my country, about a country. Bangladesh has its own culture. Bangladeshi culture is different than the other country. India's culture is quite familiar with Bangladesh, but not at all. Bangladesh has its own culture. The culture of Bangladesh is quite famous among the world. I mean, the shari. Women in Bangladesh or girls in Bangladesh wear shari, which is quite familiar all over the world.